Good morning again here at Mr. Poolman. Look, we have a lot of people asking basically what the difference is between a sand filter and a cartridge filter. Very briefly here on a sand filter, we've actually done a cutout just to show you the laterals in the sand. You'll find that the sand is mostly filled up about 3/4 full, and that allows the water to filter through. This is what they call the multi-port. The handle up here you need to work with gently and delicately, and you can see on the actual dial you'll see filter, backwash, waste, close, rinse, and of course recirculate. You can then press down your multi-port dial, spinning it around 180 degrees, putting it onto backwash, and then turning your pump back on. You can then have a viewing glass that most filters have at the back, and that allows you to see the water going to your waistline. What you then need to do after your backwash again, turn the pump off and move your multi-port dial to what they call rinse. With a cartridge filter, it's a little bit different. You have generally what they call a pressure release valve. This is found on the top of the lid. Ideally what you should do is again turn your pump off, start releasing the air, and you'll find it'll suck in air, of course allowing some air to come in, thus allowing you to turn the collar. And once that's off, you can then proceed to take that off. Your cartridge is found inside. It's then taken out, of course, and then given a good clean all the way through. Once it's clean, it's entered back into the cartridge and away you go. So that is how simple the cartridge filter system works. I hope that helps a little bit about the different types of filters that are out there. If there's anything further you need, be it from cartridge or sand filters, we have everything in store. Give us a call. Thank you.